Show them mercy by calling them to Islam. This is what the Messenger ﷺ advised. To call the people to Islam. Ud'u ila sabili rabbika bil hikmah wal maw'idati al hasana. Call to the way of your Lord with wisdom and beautiful preaching. And the Sahaba did that. To the extent that even the Najashi, the leader of Habasha, of Ethiopia, he became a Muslim. Mercy. They didn't put bombs around them, blowing up the people. They didn't kill innocent people in the streets. That is not the message of Islam. Islam's message is mercy by Allah. For Allah to guide you, He takes you out of darkness into light. Allah wants guidance for you. يدعوك إلى الدار السلام. Allah wants you to be guided to the abode of security and peace, and that is the paradise. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala calls you to righteousness, and He calls the people to call others to righteousness. The Messenger ﷺ said, whoever calls the people to goodness, he will have the reward of all those that follow him in that goodness. Hadith in Sunan Ibn Majah, which is sahih. So why would one want to kill somebody, innocent person? We call them to goodness, we get their reward as well, without their reward diminishing. Whoever calls people to evil, he will have the sins of all those that follow him upon that evil. So Shaykh Ubayd al-Jabri, one of the scholars in Medina, he mentioned that, for example, the one who initiated killing in the first place, the son of Adam, because Allah didn't accept his sacrifice, He accepted his brother's sacrifice, but he didn't accept his sacrifice. And so he killed his brother. He will have, because he initiated that, he will have the wizard of those that follow him in that. And he has made tawbah, no doubt. But this is the wizard. This is you initiate an evil, the people follow you in that, unless Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgives you. This should encourage us more to be careful and to do righteous deeds. Call the people to good. Call the people to this blessed deen that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has guided you and me to. For there isn't anything better in this dunya than this deen. Inna deena inda Allah al-Islam. The deen, the religion that Allah will accept is al-Islam.